Hey guys, welcome to a very special 20th siren walk around. My first ever federal signal, 508. Oh, this thing's so big, but it's also so ugly. See if you guys can hear. You can hear it inside. Maybe not. It's like extremely quiet. Boxes are low. Switch, rectifier, 508. Huge, massive. Oh my God, is it huge? Oh, I can't see what the tree is, but man, is it big. The line all the way up. Yeah. So this is in Medina, Ohio. Was it Cobblestone Park? Yep. Baseball fields, got some houses over there. We've got the Waite Elementary School, and yeah, that's about it. So yeah guys, thank you for watching.